Okay, hi boys and girls. I'm just gonna go over what I want from your science, okay? Yesterday, you watched this video on how kids are deciding to help take action and make positive changes to support conservation of animal habitats in their community. And we talked about yesterday, conservation means helping out. You wanna try to preserve our environment, our animals' habitats, and all of that. You also then planned out a letter. We are going to be moving into persuasive writing right here, okay? You planned out a letter pretending to be an endangered animal, and you got to choose which endangered animal you wanted to be. In your planning out, you are going to describe their habitat and what's happening to it. Why are they endangered? What is happening to their habitat? Maybe you're talking about polar bears and their ice caps are melting. It's becoming too hot. They're not finding enough food. Okay, you're going to brainstorm what humans can do to try and help solve this issue. And then you determined how these actions will actually make a difference. Okay? Now today, you are going to actually type up your letter. Okay? And I attached this document for all of you to see. Okay? And I wrote you some directions here at the top on how you are going to be taking steps in doing this. It says, yesterday you planned out a letter from the viewpoint of an endangered animal, meaning that you are pretending to be that animal. Today you're going to actually write the letter. Use what you planned yesterday to help. Look at the anchor chart to the right on what perspective writing is, which we have already done in class. If you remember, persuasive writing is when you want to convince your audience of something, okay? So I want you to read over this anchor chart right here. And then I gave you a little checklist of what you should do. Your letter should include: choose which endangered animal to write as, introduce why your animal is writing the letter, and I put a little example for an introduction sentence. I am writing to you because we are in trouble and need your help. What is happening to their habitat, which depends on which animal you choose, and how can humans help? Okay, so I started off your letter for you. Dear humans, and then you're gonna press enter twice, and you're gonna start your letter. Now, remember, this should be one paragraph, this should be one paragraph, and then this should be one paragraph. So that means you're gonna have 1, 2, 3 paragraphs in your letter. Whenever you type up a new paragraph, remember you press enter twice to skip some lines. Then on the bottom of your letter, be sure to sign it. You can sign it as from, comma, maybe Polar Bear Joe. You can sign it as sincerely, yours truly, whatever sign off you want. But remember, you always have to write at the bottom who your letter is from, okay? All right, boys and girls, have fun with this. Pretend to be the animal, and let's see what's really happening to their environment and how we can help. Talk to you soon.